Hi, what's up? It's your girl Hettyamens and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are talking we just gonna talk about how I ended up installing my own hair for my wedding day. Listen, I've showed you guys this hair before. It's 30 inches with a 13 by 6 frontal, and then it is custom colored and it's already pink curled, and I did this 3 weeks prior to my wedding day, and I've already cut the lace off and I have blended everything, sprayed it on. All that I needed to do, I had done it. So all I had to do on the D-Day is just install, and that's all. Okay, so this is me on my wedding day. Trust me guys, like you see me in my nails already fixed. I did tips, and listen, this is not a tutorial. This is me letting you know that I did my own frontal myself, styled my hair myself, did my makeup myself, did the makeup of my bridesmaids myself, styled myself. Like I'm just a hero. Like I'm just grateful, proud of my own self. Though it was tedious, but I know because of the virus we're trying to limit the number of people that will be moving in and out among ourselves, because it was an intimate wedding with only 100 invites, you know what I mean? So let's not talk about the wedding, let's talk about this hair. Okay, so as I'm a wig maker, I constructed the hair myself. I constructed the wig myself, 100% machine sewn. I did this cornrow few hours to my wedding. Okay, so Friday night we didn't sleep. You know, we had to do this cornrow before. I slept for only 2.5 hours. I slept like 2 a.m. Saturday, right? 2 a.m. and then woke up 4:30. So I just did what I had to do. Normally how I do my hair for frontals. Okay, so I had already sprayed, and then the frontal or the edge, and then I've already cut the excess stocking cap off. I'm reapplying some eco styling gel so that it lays. The more I cut the excess at the back as well. Okay, so I go back with this a hand dryer. Am I talking too much? Should I allow you guys to just watch it? So I get a wet towel with some bit of alcohol to clean off all the excess, excess whatever going there. So what I used is ghost bond or ghost glue, ghost bond. I ordered it off Amazon. I didn't use only got to be glued because I wanted an extra hold. This one lasted me for a week, yeah, because I had a lot doing and I don't want to be reapplying gel, so doing the glue helped. So guys, just follow what I did and let's just learn what you have to learn, and just appreciate the fact that I did my own makeup on my wedding day. So the ring I had on is the engagement or promise ring that I was given, a few months ago when Bay asked me to marry him. I'm yet to go for my traditional marriage, and then afterwards we go back to the hotel to change. So let's just appreciate this video and go through all the process. Okay, see you guys in my next video. After this video there's going to be an end screen where it will also have a playlist of all my wedding series. So if you found this channel by chance, you are welcome. You are not lost. You can also come into my world and see how I prepared myself for my wedding. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video if it will be of help to somebody else, and let's get started. It's your girl Hettyamens.
cracking.